Hi everyone, fall is coming. So what I wanted to show you today is how to dress up a mum. The same thing works for indoor or outdoor. So what you're going to want to do, particularly with our indoor mum that we have here, everything that we have in store comes with what is called a speed pot or a foil pot. So when you buy it, you can just take it off and then you have just the mum as it is. So I selected this tin pot here that I like. It kind of has that fall feel to it. Take a piece of our floral foam. So we're going to cut it down to where we want the plant to sit. So just grab a regular kitchen knife. I'm going to do about 2/3 of a block. So this is our John Henry dry foam. So you can get this at the floral department as well. We have this on hand regularly. Just put that in the bottom. So you just kind of set it in there like so. And we'll see where this puts our mum. Okay, that's a little too tall. So then I just simply turned it to the side. And that sets it more up to where I want to see it. So, like so. But then we want to dress it up a little bit. So what we're going to do is take our ribbon. And so this we're going to make a bow out of. So I'll show you how to do that. What you do to start is you pull out a good amount of ribbon to work with. So I've got about 1 yard here to work with. And I'm going to decide how long I want my tail to be. So then you take and you do 1 twist. So that's a half a twist. So a full twist would be obviously all the way around. We're only doing 1 half twist. And then you hold with your thumb and your middle finger, hold it still, and then you're going to make your first loop. So you go up and back down, and that's where you have, you're pinching it off again, but you still need to put a twist in there. And then you're going to do the same thing. So it's kind of like a figure 8, top to bottom, and then you're going top to bottom again. And then as you go, you're making your loops slightly bigger as you work your way back. So we're going to do 1 more. So out, and all the while this thumb hasn't moved. So it's keeping a nice firm grasp to hold all of the pieces into place. So this is our bow. Cut it again at the length that you want it. Take the wire, feed it over that spot where we were holding everything together, pulling it tight. And then we're going to twist this together as tight as we can so the bow doesn't come undone. We need to take a stick or something, and what we also have is we have cattails. So I know that I'm going to cut off a length of the cattail, and this will be perfect to use for my stick to hold on. So I take the wire, wrap it around, and I'm sticking it right in the soil so it doesn't go anywhere. And now we talked about the cattails. So we're going to put in I grabbed about 6 cattails here. So no real rhyme or reason. We're just going to cut them at varying lengths and then stick them in. So we want to get nice height out of it. I want to put a lotus pot in here. Same thing. Just cut it down. Add a little bit of interest to it. What we have is called the Midolino sticks. And so we're just going to make just a fun little loop to add to it. So these break really easy. You can just cut it off wherever you want them. Stick it right into the soil with everything else. And then you have your dressed up fall mum. So that is the next lesson that we had for dressing up some fall florals to bring indoors or outdoors. Again, I'm Ashley, and I will see you next time.